we're just going to go through this relaxation exercise and just follow it, but the intensity should be about 7.5. You'll do a muscle group more than one time. You like, it'll say to push your elbow or your shoulders up towards your ears and then relax it. And you might do that 2 or 3 times. How's that one? Is that okay? Good? Yuck? Did anyone dislike that one enormously? Nobody? How many of you fell asleep?
I had a couple of those off.
Really? Do you remember where you fell asleep? How soon? As soon as you lie down?
No.
When did you fall asleep?
Around chest, I think.
I fell asleep after
So right at the beginning?
yeah. Like anytime I lay down, I just fall asleep.
Yeah. Do you feel better?
No.
Do you? Do you feel any better?
Yeah. So, yeah.
Rested. What did you think of that one in general? What was your experience of it? This one, when you consciously tense it up and then relax it, it's amazing how you recognize, wow, I didn't realize I was so tense there. Especially the face. Did that surprise anyone when you did that one?
Yeah, that one. And my arms. Like I don't feel like I don't pay attention to my forearms being tense. Like my forearms and feel like,
Yeah.
oh.
We get so used to, and this is the truth for us, we get so used to this state of tight that suddenly going, wow, I'm relaxed, is an unusual feeling. But it's the same thing as with massage. When you relax the muscles, you feel more energized, you feel more, much more relaxed in general.
When you apologize to somebody, like, that helps you feel better. And then, like, when your muscles are tense, that's like kind of like them feeling guilty or something like that, you know? But then once you finally relax, it's like apologizing to them finally. You're like, sorry for being so tense.
Wow.
And then they're like, oh.
It's a good analogy.
That is a good analogy.
You're apologizing to your muscles. I'm sorry you're tensed up because there's nothing here to get tense about. So here. You know, and we do this all the time. I mean, you consciously go like this and you go like this. I mean, we do all kinds of things that are exactly this. Lots. There's a lot of variations to this particular one. But this one is, seriously, this one's the most American. What I mean by that is, we in America like to feel like we've done something. And doing something feels like when we just imagine it, or when we just, a lot of times, we don't feel like we're really accomplishing, but when you lift your shoulders up and then you release it down, feels American. Like I'm doing something useful, even though they're all useful. But this one is originated here in America, and it's probably, of all of the relaxation exercises that we do, it's the most frequently done in, you know, with psychologists, psychiatrists, with whatever, therapists.
Do you have one that you think is best out of the ones that we described to? Do you have one that you think is the best for going to sleep? I usually just turn it on the first one.
The power nap?
No. Oh, I do the power nap
What
all
is
the
the-
time. But no, I'm asking you, is there, for going to bed at night, is there one that you think is best for going to sleep with for the night?
It kind of depends on you. When I do, like this one that we just did, every time I get in bed, I just do a full body, just tense up for like 4 seconds. I just kind of do a full all-out this, but head to toe. And then as soon as I relax, like 5 seconds later, I'm gone. But falling asleep, I would say, of those that we've done, flowing comfort is wonderful. The power nap's nice. Autogenics is probably the most relaxing of them. If I had to choose, for me, it would be autogenics for falling asleep.